April is National Child Abuse Prevention Month, and there are many centers around the Panhandle that provide support for children in need.
KAMR Local 4's Princess Bryant has more details on a few of those centers.
According to Amarillo Area CASA, the Texas Panhandle has one of the highest rates of confirmed cases of child abuse. The state of Texas and Potter County has twice the state average. Amarillo Area CASA is a center that provides a court-appointed special advocate for children volunteer for every child of abuse and neglect.
So the more volunteers that we have, the more kids that we can serve, to make sure that they're not falling through the cracks, to make sure that their orders are being taken care of. We help through medical, educational, therapeutic needs, but we also help for the family as well too. Like, we want these children to strive and be in the best environment that they can possibly be in.
Amarillo Area CASA Recruitment and Fund Development Director Azalea Pooley says during COVID, the number of reports decreased due to children being at home.
The number one reporters are teachers and staff-wise at an education facility. So whether that's being daycare, whether that is an after-school program, or it is school. And so whenever COVID hit, no one was able to report it. Kids were being at home. Some of them, weren't being fed. Some kids, were being mistreated, were going through that abuse, and there was no one to tell. They weren't able to open up.
Pooley talks about ways people can help children that are in need.
If a kid's hungry, just ask a kid, what's going on. Of course, if there's any marks, bruises, if a child is hiding, from a certain adult, not wanting to talk about something, just kind of, guide them, let them know that you are a trusted adult, that, it is okay to talk about these things, that, they're not going to be the ones in trouble at the end of the day.
Pooley says she reminds kids that may be experiencing abuse or neglect that they are loved and there will be someone who will be their voice and advocate for them. To honor Child Abuse Prevention Month, Amarillo Area CASA asks for businesses across Amarillo to wear blue every Friday. Live in studio, Princess Bryant, KMR Local 4 News. Andy, Jackie.
Princess, thank you. Businesses can send photos to the center so they can show the children that the community is supporting them.